The Discovery Children's Museum. This is a magical place, full of wonder and laughter. It's here not only for fun and play, it's here to inspire, dream, and learn, where memories are created and magic can be touched. But how did it start? Where did it all begin? As most things, it started with an idea and some motivated people.
I wish more people knew what a difference the museum makes in children's and their families' lives.
Nothing will ever replace the experience of watching a child interact and discover something new for the first time.
And what we found was their parents were as intrigued as the kids were. And that's really part of the magic of the museum.
And we had to roll up our sleeves and figure out how we were going to do this.
It took a village. It took a team.
It was such an emotional experience, and the trustees had so much to be proud of for having pulled off what seemed like an impossible feat.
For our community to have a place to go, to reflect, to grow, to discover, is vital to the health of any community, and especially ours in Las Vegas.